Hey, Petunia lovers! Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Gardening with SNKM. I hope you all are doing great. If you love colorful flowers and enjoy winter gardening, today's video is going to be very special for you. In this video, I'll be showing you our multicolored Petunia winter flower plants beautifully growing in hanging pots in our home garden, hung safely on our steel-grilled area. Before we start, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to stay connected with our gardening journey. About Petunia winter flowers. Friends, Petunia is one of the most popular winter flowering plants for home gardens. It's loved for its bright colors, long blooming season, and easy care. Petunias come in many beautiful shades such as pink, purple, white, red, yellow, and multicolor combinations. They bloom continuously throughout the winter and instantly make any garden look fresh and lively. Petunias are perfect for hanging pots, balcony gardens, terrace gardens, window grills, and railings. Hanging pots set up on steel grill. In our home garden, we have planted these petunias in hanging pots and hung them on our steel grill. Steel grills are very useful because they are strong and durable. They can hold the weight of hanging pots easily. They help in creating a beautiful vertical garden look. This type of setup is perfect for homes with limited space as it uses vertical areas efficiently. Close-up flower shots and garden look. Camera shows slow close-up shots of petunia flowers. Just look at these stunning flowers flowing down from the hanging pots. The combination of different colors makes our home garden look bright, cheerful, and attractive. Petunias bloom generously, and when planted in hanging baskets, they create a waterfall effect of flowers. Sunlight and location requirements. Petunia plants love sunlight. For healthy growth and maximum flowering, they need at least 5 to 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. You can place them near balconies, on terrace grills, near windows with good sunlight. Avoid keeping petunias in complete shade as this reduces flowering. Watering and soil care. Watering is very important for petunia plants. Water them regularly, especially during the flowering season. Make sure pots have proper drainage holes, soil remains moist but not soggy, and overwatering is avoided. Use well-drained, light, and fertile soil for best results. Fertilizer and maintenance tips. For continuous blooming, regular care is needed. Remove dry and faded flowers regularly. This process is called deadheading and helps the plant produce more blooms. Light pruning helps maintain plant shape. Apply liquid fertilizer, flower booster, or vermicompost once every 10 to 15 days. With proper care, petunias will reward you with non-stop flowers throughout winter. Why petunias are perfect for home gardens. They're easy to grow, low maintenance, fast blooming, highly decorative. They're perfect for anyone who wants maximum flowers with minimum effort during the winter season. Hanging petunia pots add charm, color, and freshness to any home garden. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this video of our multicolored petunia winter flower plants growing in hanging pots on our steel-grilled home garden. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment below and tell us which petunia color you like the most. Share this video with fellow garden lovers. Thank you for watching Gardening with SNKM. See you in the next video. Until then, happy gardening!